Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. Today is my turn to present my project for the #howtobotanical collaboration hosted by RachandBella Crafts. There are a number of really talented crafters who are participating in this collaboration and I will have their links in my description. I hope that you can support all of us. I am very grateful to be part of this collaboration. And I'd like to say that I'm very excited to present my project this day, but this is also the saddest day of my life because my father was called home just a few hours ago. So this tutorial and project share will be short and I hope that you will find this useful and helpful and I hope that you get something out of this to use for your projects. My topic today is dies and die cutting, and for those who are new to die cutting, this will give you some simple ideas. And if you are not new to die cuts and die cutting, I hope that you still find this video useful. Here you will see two signatures, and this will be the signatures that I will include in my botanical journal. This first signature is partially embellished, and I have here some die cuts already that I used. And this second signature has no embellishment at all. I used the pages from the kit that RachandBella Crafts provided for this collaboration, and I also used some papers from Graphic 45 and some book pages. These are steel rule dies, and they are more durable than metal dies, and they are used for cutting thicker materials. And then we have metal dies. They are thinner, lighter, and they are easier to store. They are very good for cutting papers. And today we are going to use metal dies, such as these. One side of the metal die is the ridge or the cutting blade, and then the other side is the smooth side. To cut our materials using dies, we are going to use this Big Shot cutting machine. And this is a very old machine. I had it for many years. This machine comes with this platform, which we can also use for embossing. But today we are not going to emboss anything and we are just going to cut. It also comes with these two plates, and you can tell that these plates are also very used and very old. This signature is partially embellished, and I'll show you some of the die cuts that I used, and we are going to do the same thing with the second signature. These are the papers from Graphic 45 that I will use, and they look great with the papers from the kit that RachandBella Crafts provided. So what we're going to do is just fold this, and I will use a circle die to cut this, and it is going to be partial cutting. For this page, I will use a rectangle metal die with wavy edge, and I will cut 2 pieces. I will also include pages from this wonderful book, The Flowers of May, and this is very botanical. The images are really beautiful. One of my favorite dies is this film strip, and I will use the pages or the tags from RachandBella Crafts kit, and they are perfect for this die cut. I will also use this half-heart metal die, and I will use this paper also from Graphic 45. This will be my centerfold. I am also going to use this border dies and this doily metal die, and we are going to use also the papers from RachandBella Crafts kit. To start cutting, put the platform down just like this, and we are going to put one plate down, the paper to be cut, and the die. The side with the ridge or the cutting blade is placed toward the paper, and then the smooth side is facing me. The second plate is on top, and let's go ahead and crank this through. You can run this once or twice, and I like to do this twice. This film strip is perfectly cut, and this goes so well with the tags or the images from RachandBella Crafts digital kit. let's go ahead and cut the other papers. For this paper, we are going to do a partial cut, and to do that, leave the space between the edge of the die and the edge of the fold, just like so. And we will cut this the same way as we cut the other materials. This paper will be our center fold, and I will use the half heart die, and we are going to do another partial cut. Now that all the papers are cut, I'm going to distress the edges, and this will then be added to the pages. Okay, so these are the signatures that are partially embellished, and this page has a tuck. You can see that this is die cut. This also is die cut, and I have here a window, also die cut. So this as well is die cut. This is a tuck, and this is partially cut. For this film strip, I used the images that I got from old books, and I think they are really lovely. So this is our centerfold. Also die cut. This is a tuck now. This is the other half, and other half also die cut. This also is die cut. You can of course use your punches, but I die cut this. And this is the second signature. This piece can also be used as a tuck or a side pocket. Just glue the top and the bottom, and that will be a tuck or a pocket. Now, I made a mistake on the way I glue this down, so the hinge should be on the bottom and not on top of this image. So there you go, friends. This is how I embellish my pages using die cuts and how I use my Big Shot die cutting machine. I hope that you find this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching and for supporting our collaboration hosted by RachandBella Crafts. Please don't forget to support the other crafters. All the links will be in my description. Thanks again, everyone. Bye now. God bless you. Till next time.